Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Coin Z Collection. Today, we're diving into an incredible story. Could a humble one-penny coin from the United Kingdom, minted in 2001, really be worth a staggering $25 million? Coins can hide amazing secrets, and we're about to uncover the truth behind this jaw-dropping claim. Make sure to stay till the end, because you don't want to miss the full details. Country United Kingdom period Queen Elizabeth II 1982. 2022 currency pound sterling coin type circulation coins denomination 1 penny currency rate 1 penny equals 0.01 USD year 2000 and 1 ruler Elizabeth II composition copper plated steel edge type smooth shape round alignment metal 0 degrees weight G 3.56 diameter mm 20.32 thickness, mm. 1.65 The 1 penny coin is one of the most common coins in circulation in the United Kingdom. First introduced in 1971, it features Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse and a crowned portcullis design on the reverse. The coin is made of copper-plated steel, weighs 3.56 grams, and has a diameter of 20.3 millimeters. But what makes the 2001 edition so special? Why is this simple coin rumored to be worth millions? In the coin collecting world, stories of rare coins fetching millions of dollars are not unheard of. However, the claim about the 2001 UK 1 penny being worth $25 million has sparked major curiosity. Some collectors believe that specific minting errors or rare prototypes from this year may have astronomical value. Let's investigate whether this is fact or fiction. Coins with minting errors are highly sought after by collectors. These errors might include double strikes, off-center designs, or incorrect metals. For the 2001 1 penny, no officially documented errors have been reported. However, collectors speculate that a small batch of these coins could have been accidentally struck in gold or with experimental designs, making them incredibly valuable. Have you ever checked your loose change? Who knows what treasure you might find? Let's separate fact from fiction. The standard 2001 UK 1 penny is worth its face value, 1 penny. However, if you find one with unusual characteristics, such as a minting error, the value could rise significantly. Auction sites like eBay or Sotheby's sometimes list coins with rare features for thousands, even millions of dollars. But there is no verified instance of a 2001 penny fetching $25 million. Yet, if you're a coin enthusiast, always check your pennies for unique weight or color differences, misaligned or double-struck designs, unusual edges or inscriptions. Investing in a coin guidebook and a magnifying glass can help you identify valuable pieces. Remember, patience is key in coin collecting. Now it's your turn. Have you ever come across a rare coin in your collection? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel Old Coin Z Collection.